Hi everyone! In this video, I want to show you a simple way to have an easy and steady bracelet or necklace closure. And you can achieve that simply by sewing snap buttons. And you could either use these black ones or transparent ones. It makes no difference, because practically they won't even be exposed and they're hidden. So as you know, snap buttons consist of two parts. So all we have to do is, after finish up our bracelet or necklace, we should sew each part at the end of each side of our bracelet. And that's it. So in this series of videos, I'm focusing on different ways to make closures for our crochet jewelries and crochet accessories. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.